lamest show ever. I try to catch something big, you know. I want to show you something big. Yeah. Oi. Eita. Right. Twist up, you know. And patience is not one of my virtues. I sunset me wait out pan. But in the meantime, I fuck around and pretend so I can catch them. In the meantime. Craig don't hook me up with a big rod, you know. He said I not catch nothing. So he give me a little baby rod. Nah, catch nothing for true. Come on. That's one light baiting give me, you know. Nah, go nowhere. Sunset. It's a bad one. It's a ooh. Sunset, bad. Watcha. Really person. Oh my god. Let me try to find it. Watcha. Yo. That is wicked. Buddy, catch my ass. If me catch nothing, I must flew. But you are lucky, say flew now keep again. I said that me that catch it, buddy. I know I said it. Did I go wicked enough? from the cloud them set up so to get way more texture. Like levels to it. I don't catch nothing. Mostly I catch piece of mine, you know. I don't catch fish. It advancing kind of. It just is lighter. It's a picnic. And my brother set it up, give me, you know. It's a picnic rod him give me. You know, rate me. He said I not catch nothing. Yeah, I catch before. I catch before, but when I fish with the professional fisherman now. Oh God, that looks so good. That is so good. This is just one of the few things that you can't see when you lock up in your house. Yeah. That nice, don't it? Very nice. I'm in a stand favor. Hey, I want to big up my girl Shannon back. I enjoy the conversation. She's comfortable for talk to. And some more big up Shannon Mac to the max. Yeah? To all the people who are reaching out after. I just want to say to the genuine ones, thank you. To the genuine ones offering their sympathy and their love and strength, thank you, but there are people next to you who need that much more than I do. Look around you. Take a different look. Yeah, Kishi, my buddy. Take another look around you to see who in your immediate surroundings actually needs that. And you're better able to give it to them than to me, because you only reach me virtually, right? But the people in your immediate vicinity, you reach them physically. You reach them emotionally, psychologically. Yeah? So please, don't just reserve your love and affection for strangers on the internet, because that's what I am to you. I'm a stranger. You think you know me because you've seen me on TV and you've heard me on the radio and you've seen me on the internet. But you don't know me. You know your daughter. You know your cousin and your sister and your brother. You know your son. You know your mother and your father. And you don't have to reach out to them and say, I think something went wrong and I want to give you love. No, you can just change your conversation. Just change your conversation from one of judgment. Change your conversation from one of judgment to one of understanding and empathy and inclusion. I block it. Obscure it. Jaja. See that boy there, I look out for me and I laugh, because I know him give me one little light weight, you can't catch nothing, I go war him. So, may I beg you, please, change the conversation. So instead of you offering Tonya Stephens or somebody else, because you will go under somebody famous from another country, go give them all your love and support, you know. All your love and support, and your daughter they right near us want it and need it. I did before you give them. Please, may I beg you, give it to them. I'm not saying you shouldn't be supportive of me. I'm not saying you shouldn't be supportive of me. I'm saying you should be supportive of those next to you. And by changing the conversation, if you change the conversation, if you change the narrative surrounding stuff like this, that will be the biggest support you can ever give to me, because I want no one else to experience this. And you're going to change it, you're going to end it by first being accommodating to those who tell you that something has happened. When I say something happened to me and you speak negatively of me and your daughter hears, she's not going to speak to you. You are creating environment every time you speak, every time you act, every time you reject, every time you ridicule, you criticize, every time you deny. You're creating environment for your own people. It's not me you're creating it for. understand this. You can say, you're going to say anything you want to say about me. But at the end of the day, you and I know that you don't affect me. And the only way you can affect me is if I allow you to affect me psychologically, because you're not in my real space. You are not. You're on the internet. And that is virtual. You know you're not affect me. You see me out there still big and fat and I fear fight for lose weight. You know so you're not take one grain of rice off of my plate. But what you are doing is you're creating an environment for your daughter, your son. Alright, so every time when somebody says, this happened to me, and you say, she chat too much, lie she tell, she look attention. It's not just your daughter here, you know, your son here too. And your son knows that he can act with no fear of repercussion. Because you have given him that indemnity. You have created that space, that cushioned space within which he can act. So now when you talk about Tonya Stephens, you're not talking to Tonya Stephens. You're talking about Tonya Stephens within earshot of your own people. So when you say, who them girl they, try remember that every time you say them girl they, all the girl them around you here. Your daughter, your niece, your stepdaughter. You know? All of them girl they here. And most times me not here. Me can't hear the rumblings. And for the most part, the name them not have no face to them and I never real name. And I have aliases. So we're gonna talk a little bit of logic now. And before I even touch in the logic, I don't know what I think. I just want to say to all of the reporter them, the so-called reporter them, where I try to reach out to me, stop. And if you make up in your mind, is it that I want attention? Or do I not want attention? Because me avoid you, and you can't find me on a digard. On bomb rush my representatives. And you open up my DMs and my emails and they all over crawl upon me like ticks. I try to get me to do an interview. Because you guys have relegated yourself to the position of psychological carry-on crews. You're junk crews. And all you want out of life in your position that you pretend to be in as journalists, all you want is just the carcass of somebody else's sanity to feed off of. Not this blood clot girl. Fuck off, and fuck off again. My sanity intact. And uno no understand yourself. Uno wa give me instruction, don't understand no blood clot self. Because uno is a momentary people. Me look way ahead. Way ahead of me. So I don't want no more instructions from uno. And stop telling me what to do, because uno know by now, so uno no know what uno talk about. And I do. What I know 25, 30 years ago still remains true. No. I still know. And I see it play out in front of me every day. Because I know uno skin people no fickle. Uno fickle. And all I want is something for run with today. Because today your life sad. Today your life unhappy. Today your life painful. Today you're going through shit and you just want somebody else's shit to make bigger than your shit so that you can feel better about your shit. So you can say, well, at least my shit smaller, but I'm not Tonya shit. If you buck up Tonya shit, you have to come in and toilet with me. That's the only place you buck up my shit. You don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. You want to fix this? Fix your environment. You can't fix me. What happened with me happened years and years ago. And by the way, stop offering me help. You genuinely feel like say me name or me name. Alright, whether you like me or not, someone don't like me. And that's okay. You don't have to. But just pre this for a second, just for a quick second. You don't like me, that aside. But you really feel like say me make so much hit song for so much years and do so much things and enjoy so much success. And you feel like if me want to deal with that boy, me can't deal with him. You genuinely feel so? Me don't need no help. Stop. Your daughter need your help. Your niece need your help. Your cousin need your help. Your son them need your help. Look after the people around you and stop trying to look after me. Stop pretending you don't care, because you don't care. When the conversation come again and you still have to take Bill Cosby side and you still have to take R. Kelly side, oh no, don't care. Every time you hear an accusation and you still have to look to the victim first for decide whether or not you're supposed to consider it plausible. Say that happened. I'm no idiot, me know no me decades me I listen to no fine. Decades. Me not accidental. Me not accidental, so me not take instructions. Me not take instruction. Bulby, me not need your help, frig off. Me need your help with the track them. Me not take instructions from topical people, from current people, from people who move from fad to fad and follow. Me not take instructions from followers. Lead me lead. Right? Me lead out. Me not invite nobody to follow me neither. If you want to follow, you follow. But me not follow. And me not take instructions from people. So here what me I say, something happen. Me know what happen. Pussy know what happen. And me know say uno know say me not lie. Uno know say me not lie. And me I'll tell you this again. If me did feel like say it a go be profitable for make him bring him to justice, me not depend on the system, me that bring him to justice myself. Understand say me capable. Very capable. But that's not necessary. It's not necessary what I want to know for do is change the conversation. Because me doing changing that, not going to change Jamaica. It not change Jamaica. So what we need is to change Jamaica, and it will go change from the conversation changing, which is you guys. The way you speak. The way you interact. You see this way I go on right now. And my name, you know, I'm strong, alright. I could just dig in a little bit of ego right now. Because everybody running, everybody else are going like them think me a weak fence, like them can't run in for me. And them cannot run in for me. Them can't run in for me. Right? But if you deal with me so, how not deal with the picnic them around, you know? Me have one journalist who brazen enough to come send email at about I need an interview. You don't need no blood clot interview. Go interview tough foot them. Seen? After me done hear somebody on the radio, I talk to a young girl and say say to the picnic, say, so how you going to explain to your son when him grow a little older, how you going to explain to him that you're a prostitute? And me hear a little girl say, prostitute? And me could have hear in her voice, me could have hear her shoulder drop, me could have hear the blood a drain out her face, me could have hear her self-esteem a crack. Me could have hear everything good in her life where she feel like a build up and like she a turning a smarty. Me could have hear it a dead in her fucking voice. Every time I talk Jamaican people, them things a joke me a making and them things say it's a gimmicks thing. And you see me out there so look like me I look attention. But even pardon no. Me not pardon nobody. If me that look attention, you know there's a lot more me could not do to get attention, right? And I could also be accepting the attention that I'm getting and not reject it as much as I do. I reject attention. So I don't want nobody running for me. I look no interview. We know some junkro. We know some dead body feeding junkro where I look for the next carcass. Because all I know do is wait for people's sanity for die. So you can come in with no carrion crow self and feast on the carcass of the insanity. But that is not me. Go away. That's not me. Me understand you no better than you no understand yourself. Me no wanna do this for. You know trending people and you know what. You see, me and Shannon talk and people start share it, right? Somebody go share it. By the way, yard whatever your name, we share it. And Shannon say, tag her. I'm not disrespectful. Wanna study? Me and the woman still don't have a conversation. We never tag you and you never involved in it. And she said, tag me. Tag her because of your interview. Me and she did that talk. You couldn't get that out of me because you don't have the emotional intelligence. And she said, tag her. That go without saying. Any decent human being would tag her. And then you know, panta pipe be rude and tell her the only reason why they want to put her on phone page because of me. No, want to put her on the page because she get a conversation there. Because she's the one who actually accommodated and inspired it. Uno couldn't do it. Because Uno not have the journalistic skill nor the emotional intelligence to accommodate it. So Uno do better than that. Right? Alright? I digress. Let me go back to the topic at hand. So-called journalists, go take a course. Stop come to me about you want interview. Because you don't want an interview. You want fucking gossip. For all of the people who come and tell me, say them hope me strong enough. You're not strong like me, no pussy. You're not strong like me. You hope me strong enough? You think it takes strength for me if I call one name to you? You think it takes strength? You feel like it takes strength for me? Why me need to call a name to Uno? You don't think me could have call a name then some man is and make some man go name the food? Me say me not call no name. No stop asking me about name. Stop asking me about name. I want to. Me not call no name because me and I sit down and gossip together. We're not doing that. Because every time when somebody call a name, let me tell you what happens so far when people call name. Somebody encourage some victims, real victims, to come out and call name, and the whole of the feminists them turn over upon them. Feminists, you know, we're supposed to fight for women rights, you know, turn over upon them and say them are some crosses and what they do wrong. They not fi call name. Shake a leg come down the road now and tell me say me fi call name. Who no call name out my body wall? You don't think me idiot? So you know look somebody now if you have another lawsuit so that a rapist can get some money out of somebody out of them victim and you know idiot? You don't take me for fool? I say me not call no bumbuckler name and that me say stop bother me. Anytime if me did feel so moved if you have a repercussion come out there, repercussion of the repercussion. So you can relax. You can relax. I say me not call no name. You know what the victim them need now? Here's what victims need. Victims need to change in conversation. Victims need every time somebody say, this happened to me, you stop running and say I lie them a tell. Stop running and say I lie them a tell. That's what victim need. Victim don't need to hear nobody name. Ungo gossip monger want hear a name. Victim need to know so they're safe. And there's accommodation for them when they decide to speak. That's what victims need. Victim need reassurance. That's our victim need. They don't need fear nobody name. Because if me predator no for them predator, they don't need fear nobody name. And as for those who keep saying call name so you can know to protect yourself from every bumbo clap body, assume say all of them pussy are rapists. Assume say all of them are rapists and protect yourself and protect your pitney. That's it. Me no need to call no man name. Me no need to call no man name. What me need uno fi do is stop call girl name. That's what uno fi do. Don't put the onus on the victim to fix this shit. Uno fix it. Uno fix it. When a year or other ago, when the Minister of Justice say, Cho, if 10 years ago somebody harassed you in the elevator, you know, say nothing all that time, Cho, no bother with it. I really look a chuckle. Bumbo clat and uno defend him. That me I talk about. Don't ask me if I call a name, because you know that name Delroy Chuck and him chuckle. And uno back him and defend him. And him you see if I did a regular random man do it, me probably wouldn't say nothing, but him the Minister of Blood Clot Justice. And him me fi look to get justice for my atrocity when meted out to me. And if him a say, if you not talk yet, him put a limitation. Him put a personal statute of limitation for my mouth. Fi tell me when me fi talk by or else nobody come. I'm Minister of Justice that you know. And this I want to harbor. Because you know labor right and PNP, so when a pussy do something wrong, you know defend it. This I want to need for change. Don't ask me about no name. Don't ask me about no blood clot name. Don't come tell me so no want to interview, because you know don't go interview the boy who say we no fi talk. Interview that. Don't come ask me about something what happened in my personal life. Me sure say it happened because it happened too much and to too many people and we need to change it. But don't go ask me. That becomes a private business now that you just simply nosy. It has nothing to it has no bearing on fixing the problem, because the problem is bigger than a one man. We have a culture. We don't have a predator. We have a predatory culture. So what we need to change is a conversation. We need to change the narrative so that it becomes less accommodated. When it becomes less accommodated, when a predator feel like him have consequence, when him feel like nobody now go put up with him fuckery, then it will stop. But what's the point of me and you sitting here gossiping? Me and you go sit down and gossip. Because that way I go basically do gossip. And then Pantapite so I go making trend. And all me I say, me not call no name out there, guess out bumbo clot, because uno are some pussy. Because me say me not call no name, you know. And uno out there busy, we don't know one of them. Think me not say uno pussy, straight pussy uno be. We don't know one of them out there, so gossip. And when you no come in on my DMs and I say, yo, me not come in here with the gossip. How is it gossip and start to cuss me? So you go cuss me. And me you say you care about it, you know. Hey, listen man, come there out my body well again. I wanna not go like me. Because me not pet and pamper. Me not boxing with no blood clot sponge. Me a boxing with rock stone. Fuck you know. Because it a go around, you know, I wanna know. I wanna accommodating of it. And this is why it keeps happening. This is why, because instead I wanna try to go fix the problem, I wanna try fix my dialogue. I wanna try fix I wanna try to fix my vocabulary. I wanna try fix my emotions. And I wanna tell me say, in order for me to be taken seriously and in order for you to actually join me and come fix it, me need for first dress up the way me approach you. Go suck on a moment blood clot go. Me no help me then. Me keep me help myself. If me have to farm one army in this, me do it. But me, nobody come to me come under the guise say you want help me. But me have to first confirm to you. Yo, God, listen man. Listen man. You don't know yourself. The funny thing is, you live in ignorance, you in a one tight little bubble of ignorance, and I try to ram everybody in there. You don't feel tight. You don't feel uncomfortable and claustrophobic in that blood clot. You can look for a girl who live out the door and I invite him to come tie up in there with you. Eh? Me say, fix in a place. That me I say. Because you over here so feel like so you're safe. You feel like your daughter safe. Your daughter not safe, you know, brother. Them predator, they no respect geography, you know. They don't respect economy neither. They will rape anything. And you create some opportunist rapists with no speech, because when you tell your son, say all them girls are for him, and your cute son come for fuck off all them girls. When him talk to a girl and she say no, I deprive him of him property where his mother done give him already and tell him say for him that, you know. So we're gonna stop him from thumping in her face and draw her growing in one corner. Stop telling son them fucker there, you're an idiot. You're an idiot and you shouldn't can breathe. You should have blood clot barren. You know, for raise no human. Simple, straight. So when you stop come to me and go ask me things. Nobody not ask me nothing. Not call me about no interview. Me put out a song. You know, every day you know they back at me and chat me. And I say, me stop the music and now while me do a talk. But you know, I come running now, so no one interview. The only thing that happened recently is my conversation with Shannon. So that me know so no one talk about. Because me know no pussy that you do every time. Me share me opinion on one matter on the running. Can we get an interview? Me share my opinion on the next matter. Can we get an last year? Me put out 31 blood clot song for month of April. One a day like Centrum. Like vitamin and this pussy. And none of them never call me and say they want to do an interview. You can laba juice me out. You don't think me a big friend from no go suck on yourself on no mama. I'm pooper. Bumbo clat you no take man for. Come here so now I go like you no care. You no fucking care. Stop going like a care. People that get raped right side of uno. Me there no midst and soon you know. Me see predator them come near you know. Me see big man a power with pitney way enough for them pitney and near you know. None of no say nothing. Me see uno shit pan a little black girl for look a man for help her mind herself. And me see no big up a white girl or a mixed girl. If you do the same bumbo clat thing, you know, come near me out and stop going like you know things so people are idiot like you know. Go suck on yourself again. That evening here is a suck yourself episode, people. 100 times. You see all of them little boy that are going like them a blogger and little girl will love chat about people by your level. Because me and you vibrate the same. No for you do things and talk and you don't know what I talk about. You don't know what I talk about. You don't have no idea I want to talk about. And you can't knit together. You know actions and words. For see beyond this moment, none of you can see past your nose. And you give people instructions for the things we're going to last them for the next 20 years or a lifetime. And you can't see past your nose. Stop blood clot chatting. You chat too much. And I tell me, say me chat too much. Me chatting in my own space about my own business. Me chat about things where me entitled for chat about. So if me talk about what going on Jamaica, I am Jamaican. That's my business. And not tell me no to talk about you no come in so can ask me who violate me. Who violate me? What that have to do with you? What you gonna do when me tell you? What, no, just give me one sentence. What you gonna do when me tell you? You go feel pussy? You go feel him? You know how much people want to go feel him? I'm not send them. Why may I tell you? Relax on yourself, man. Relax on your blood clot self. That you know to do. And mind on no business. Some want to do enough and too fast. Yeah? And don't act like so no care. Me have a lot of people from radio now tell me say, me if you tell them which artist so that they can stop playing. You don't take me for that, don't? You don't take me for that. Because you know did stop playing other rapists them, right? Around my one you know want to stop playing. You know broken your neck up in one another body hole. I hear that. Who no take for that? Remember say me I want to go to school together. Me never see him done class with you. Stop it, man. Stop it, man. Come up out of my ears. Come up out of me ears. Stop pretend so no care. Because me no request so no care specifically for me. Care about your environment. Care about your yard. Care about your yard. Care about the pitting them in your yard where I hear you talk shit every day. Where you come out and say, oh, them get one night me there. I said, hello me now. And the DJ put on Beanie tune, Battery Dolly. Me love Beanie to death, you know, and he know this. But when them put on Battery Dolly, 6 man back her down last week, Saturday, cause she a Battery Dolly. That's why them back her down. Cause she a Battery Dolly. Not because them a rapist. Watch no language. Watch no language. And that you know forgot watch and stop try watch who violate me. And stop ask question and stop guess. When you think me on play. Think we play Wheel of Fortune or something we out there, what the fuck we play? Family what him name Steve Harvey show name? Family Feud. That we out there play? We's a guessing game, me and you know. Me and Uno play a game, leave me alone. Go look after no pitney. When your pitney come to you and say, a man where you fuck for money and rape her, deal with that. Stop telling pitney say a lie she tell because you're lazy and don't want to look no blood clot work. Deal with that. Stop tell the pitney say a lie she tell because you get validation from being near the man. You're lazy bumblehole. Go look a job. Because you don't want to work. Another man they pay for your house and the car. And so now the pitney have to take fuck for mine you. That you figure fix. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop asking me question. You're not too fast. And by the way, no, stop fuck around Barrington Levy and me thing them. Because me meet Barrington Levy when me old. Me don't know him when me little. Left him man alone. Me don't know if he do nothing else but he not do me nothing. So no fuck off and left him. Stop the guessing game and the people thing. Me tired of no. If I know 1 or 2 times a manager come to me and ask me if I can make a statement, please, because people are no left him man alone. Just bumbo clat and no go watching no daddy where I fuck no. Stop it with the gossip. Stop it with the gossip. You know, see big man them with the little pit. Them and artists alone do it neither, you know. The people them around here do it. Sir, mom, the people them around you do it. You probably do it. Stop it talking, man, and go fix your fucking life. Fix Funo life. And then we will fix the environment because Funo life have the same shit in it. Stop going like you don't feel like you can't fix my life because you can't fix my life. Uno can't fix my life. An account of my life is not broken. Hear me, I tell you, say. You see, if you empathize with my situation and want better, fix your yard. That's how you empathize with me. You ever see, when you're up on social media, up on Facebook, you see somebody have a birthday, and in lieu of birthday gifts, then why you donate to the charity, that may I do. May I say, in lieu of all of the love and support and attention you want to give it to your daughter and your son. Me not ask nothing hard. Then the right side of you. You mean even the side of you. You not broke fight for charity side of me. You not try so hard. You in a DMs every day. Hi, hello, hi, how are you? Hi, I love you. Hi. Go love your son. Love your daughter. Go love your niece. Go love your nephew. Love your sister and your brother. And I'm not saying loving me is a bad thing. I'm saying it's disingenuous because it is not something that you spread across the board. It is not something that you're giving to the people beside you. So when you only go up on celebrity page and I tell them how much you love them and you put the side that you want some of that same blood clot love there and I give them, that's how I create a problem. Because when you create them, when you have these little kids, we're so lonely and so lacking in a love and affection and then go to the road and predator draw them because predator can sniff, predator can smell the vacuum where you creating in their life. Predator can smell it. Fix your yard. Fix your yard. All of the insecurities and the fuckeries where you have going in your brain, fix your yard and stop trying to fix me. Stop pretend. Stop pretend say you care about me because you do not. You don't care about me. I don't ask me, I don't ask Christ. You don't care about me, you don't know my friend, no, you don't know, you don't even know what kind of person me be. How you know say me a no monster? You don't know. What happened, you know? But me tell you about no other part of my life. You don't realize it. I sit down on the live and I talk to you enough time. But too much you don't know about me. You don't know nothing about me, you know? Because I not share personal, intimate details of my life, you know? I talk about things were related to the collective. Things were beneficial to the collective. I not talk about my personal life. I not show my personal space. You don't realize you don't know nothing about me. So when you don't come up here and act like you don't love me so much, or you get to love me so much, or we band over, what we band around? What you know about me? And you don't do this right across the board with celebrity. You don't just all day, every day, pour out in your heart and soul and body all with stranger. And you pitney the side down and dead. If you just hug your pitney and kiss him no man. Make him know say invalid. Instead of you do over here, so try invalidate me, go validate your pitney. You don't stop going like you don't care. Me just want to know if you stop. Because me I don't know say it's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Yeah? And then let me tell you something else what I do with my idle and I have nothing else to do with my time. I look on a profile, you know. And I look on someone on a post. So when you come on down, you come in on me. When you come in on me, DMs and pretend so I don't care so much and I see post, me see comment on a comment and somebody else thing and I laugh about something to do with me, you know. Where them two things they can coexist peacefully. Them two things don't compatible. You couldn't mean what you mean in here, so I mean what you mean over there so too. So make up your mind, pussy. Make up your mind. Because me not beg no friend. Remember, you know, me have no friend, you know. Me have a whole heap of friend, you know. Well, me have a whole heap of acquaintances. Me have very few, very close friends. But me have no acquaintances. I can't run out of acquaintances, you know. Try and remember, you know, say, uno is a fragment of people when me meet in a physical life. Fragment. I mean, I don't play any one personality. I'm just saying, just do the maths, no man. A whole heap, no matter how much, you know, so much time, you know, try to cancel me and I can't cancel. Because you know, not even a drop in a proverbial bucket. Stop it. Look and go see your pitney right side of you. Look in your life, you see predator where you big up. Which predator in your family you bounce your daughter upon in knee? And tell her if you stop in eyes and go take the picture. Which predator you have with your hand round her shoulder come round so rest on her little breast? Go look for that and fix that and you will have fixed me. If you fix that, you will have fixed me because that are the one bumbuckler thing in a life where bother me. The way on a loose you don't pick them, the way on a allow people to deal with no pick them, and the way on a deal with no pick them. So if you don't fix them there, you will have fixed me. Fix that and I will be fine. Because me can't come in a all of uno yard. Come fix uno. Yeah? Me can't come in a all of uno yard. Come fix uno. You need to come off of my life. Me there so sit down and tell you say stop give me instruction. You come in here come give me instruction. Where you come from? Eh? Where you come from? You go tell me now say me if you watch how me attack for you know watch how me attack? Whenever you're on attack sometimes. Like yo, when you vile your fuck. So listen, when you go, it's like when I try win a trophy. When you go up on people posting, when you claim so a savage. Savage? Kind of description that you put on yourself. Savage. You know what's a savage? When you hear people say savage, I don't even think you know understand what the fucking word mean. No come underneath me think I give me pure instruction. Me no want an instruction, me no want a guy. Me no want no guy or no girl to come and offer to help me. Don't tell me say the people in my back and support me because I never ask it. What you need to do is stop gossiping. Stop gossiping. Stop gossiping. And that is the first step toward a solution. That's the first step. That's the first step. So, if you can manage to stop gossip, stop saying she was asking for it. Stop saying what kind of clothes that she have on. Now, you know how much time I pass woman on road and hear woman look at other girl and say, then look at the clothes that she have all when man hold them and rape them, you can't even say nothing. Like, yes, you can say something. You can say something other than that, what you're saying. That what you're saying is the reason why, part of the reason why men still do it. Because they know a pussy like you are going to make excuses for them. And pretend. Say the reason why they do it are anything other than the fact that they are one criminal. Rapist. Them are one deviant. Something wrong with them. Eh? Leave me alone. I don't want nobody running Tell no friend them, tell them friend them, so no come run in and try ask me about no interview. When you hear say something happen. And for your response to that is for running. You're not a psychotherapist. You're not a therapist of no sort. In fact, you're fucking clumsy with communication. As me say, enough of them are running, me see them, I am so and so from this radio. I am so and so from that day. I am so and so from this blog. I am so and so from that day. Left me alone. Left me alone. You hear me say? Left me alone. Because uno na go feast on the carcass of my sanity. Uno psychological junkro. Uno mental carrion crow. Buzzards. Leave my sanity alone. It not dead. It they alive and kicking. Better than Funo. Uno na go feast on the carcass side. You hear me I say? It na go till me go. Till the last breath left my body is when it go. So when I feast on the carcass of my sanity, I have to go near out my body too. Them a go together. Left me alone. Because you don't know so no intentions them no pure. Fuck off. Fuck all the way off. Stop bother me. Go find real dead body. I'm gonna name that. Yeah? Looking on your own life. Dead body in there, no? Looking on your own life. Because why else could you be trying to highlight? You're not, me know if you're gonna not try highlight sexual violence because it there, it not hide. It not hide. When you put on blinkers and walk past it, the only reason why I don't give a fuck about mine are because of my stature. That's the reason why I'm not running. You don't take me for idiot. No, not get no blood clot like so from me. Fuck off. None. Me never want to like so from me. When I go? Where when I go? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Buzzard left me alone. Yeah? They know the reason why people not come forward and come talk. This is why people not come forward and talk, because this I wanna get they get overwhelmed by uno. Uno can't overwhelm me, Uno can't drop in my psychological bucket. Uno can't overwhelm me. But uno can overwhelm some other kids. And when uno bomb rush me, them are watching and them are say to themselves, then if Tonya seems that and she get that, what me I get, me shut my mouth. I saw not silence me, Uno not silence me, Uno silence everybody else. And that a burn me bumbo clot. It a burn the fuck out of me. Yeah? It a burn me. So if you want something to talk about, go and do some real journalism for a change. Otherwise, stick to road broadcast, man. Stick to outside broadcast and go gimmicks out. Gimmicks out and make people laugh after you as a clown. But don't run in from bumbuck like me. But listen to me, man. Match up to your intellect. Don't go above your pay grade. Allow me. Allow me. That's what I try to tell you, say. Go look after your pitney them. You see pitney where they are your yard? You pick where they are your yard? Where you create one fuck up environment for that pitney grow up in you not understand which part you there, Let me tell you, some of no journalists, you see, when you feel like you know a smarty, right? The very reason why you no pitney get fuck I go be that. Because you feel so not smarty. And enough of no mind, you no think that actually insulate them against shit. No, it attracts shit to them. Because you no name or no name. And that name props. When a man go out and say, me do that, props that name here. So the time when you take a try run back on me, if you go feast upon the carcass of my past, you go protect your blood clot picnic as the environment. When I create for them grow up in them, I go get fucking it. Protect on a picnic. Have a real conversation for once. Have a real conversation for fucking once. Just for once. And stop pretend so no care. It irritate me, Irritate me because I know no care. When I see people them when make chat about me here, my clothes. When I see people them make chat about my vocabulary. When I see people them make chat and when I wish somebody else could have did right like me. Because when I rather have the song them what you respect coming from somebody what you respect. But you no respect the song them, when I rate the song them, I don't see the skill in it, but you not like me. And me know, say that no match up. Me know, a joke me take it for. Because I'm watching perplex and I can see the dissonance where it's creating now. Because in no mind, you think skill supposed to equal with respectability. But no. Your respectability is supposed to follow where you see the skill. And pussy whether they like it or not. My bad. My bad. I mean, I continue to be bad. Because despite and in spite of my sanity the right so. Not gonna way. Despite the fact that I try to redefine every fucking thing about the world, nah gonna away. So every time I talk, when I redefine what me I say, if I make that be a evidence of insanity, fuck you know. Think my blood clot. First of all, I not try impress you know. So you can not be impressed 365. And it not matter to me because in my circle, uno is not even a square. Uno not there. And nobody when me deal with don't even know no. So my time when I chat and people when my people am around them I be like, ah who that? They no fucking know no. So no can go on blood clot chat. You know who know no? When no pick me. No. Your son and your daughter know you, your niece and your nephew know you, your friend them pick me know you, and them I hear your blood clot words and it a create an environment for them to live in. And a that them a come up in and you a do it. You a do it. Understand yourself. Say you not try force me fit and tell me about like listen. Me strong enough to talk. Strong? You think it takes strength to talk? It takes strength for me to stop talk. The easiest thing for me if I do I open my mouth and talk. Me talk for a living. Me. Not that me do for a living. When you fool your folk. Me talk for a living. Stop telling me to talk and get strength for talk. Because talking is not my problem. Talking a fool no problem. Biggest problem when I have a talking, somehow know no problem is not talk too much. Somehow no want to be police of talking. So when other people talk, you want to tell them when them fi talk, what them fi say, how much them can talk, them fi shut up, you fi keep talking. Because you are the king and queen of talking, right? Yeah? And then you come over here so come tell me say me talk too much even though me in my own space. I'm not invite you. Stop running for me. Because some of the time when I share my things them I want to make people underneath you think them I say, yo, she talk again. No, she not talk again, she talk. She talk in her space and Uno, come take it because Uno not no content. Because Uno don't have an original thought of Uno own. Uno don't have the critical thinking skills to take for Uno to arrive at any of my conclusion them. So Uno take my shit and go share it. And then pretend like Uno superior to me. When you not share my shit, Uno take my feed that and I content and I take from me. Uno take me feed that. Uno sit down and laugh after people who give you no content when I live off. Uno is an ungrateful set of bumble. What Uno do is come up out of my face. Uno no booger. Uno no matter. Come out of my face. Come out of my face. Stop telling me about you no want interview because I don't want no interview. I don't want, first of all, I don't want to talk to you. You see people who actually do real interview? We know each other and we speak. Outside of that, the rest of them go chuck off and on the mama and the pooper. Blood clot. I wish I could have go back in time and give them a boots. Some of them name for ban. Can come out there so come chat. Fuckery. Tell me, say. Me for brave up. Brave. I wish me did have a courage. Courage, you don't go courage. Me not have a courage to cowardly dog with the hole in 9 teeth. Me not have no reason for no courage. Stop going like an idiot, like you don't know life. Because you don't know who me be. And you don't know my personality completely. You don't know my stature. So you don't know, so if me did need courage, I could have bite. So you can relax on yourself. You don't know that. You come and talk everything you want to talk, all day, every day. But at some point, we need to have a little reality check. Have a little reality check. Because you know, say, level of exposure. Let's be real. Me can do it so I need a random girl or guy off the internet to come for me go whisper in their ears and look sympathy. Me can possibly out there so weak. Me can out there so weak that me need random guy and random girl. For me come be like, hey internet stranger, Instagram stranger, Facebook stranger, please, me need to talk to somebody, make me talk to you. What the fuck? You think me not nobody in my life? You genuinely feel like me not nobody in my life? Me have people in my life who no pick me, them not nobody in feed them life, go talk to them. Because the time where you should have spent to talk to them, you're out here busy and fuck around me. Go talk to your kids. Your own kids. It'll mess up. Don't Instagram mess up them perspective. Instagram a kill no ability for discern. Instagram a kill no ability to think. Yeah. Yeah. Hear what I say? When you go talk to the kids and go fix on the kids' life, fix the environment. You're pregnant now? You have time. Go fix the environment now. So that the pitney don't born to a toxic motherfucker. Go detox yourself. So that by the time your pitney come around, do that. Do that. And you will have helped me. That's the only help you can give me, is to make a better world. You can't help me individually. You can't help me, the individual. You have to go help the environment and me benefit from what you do for the collective. That's the way you can do. Change the conversation. Change the dialogue. Change the narrative. Change your words. Change it. That's the way you have to do. I may go cut now. Because I have things to do. I never ain't throw no line long. I ain't get done. But yeah. Fix that. Thank you.